G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another how-to video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to re-glue and fix the sole of a shoe which has come apart. In my case, I have my beloved Nike shoes which I've been using for quite some time, but as you can see, the rubber sole is not sticking to the cloth material on top anymore. It has come apart only from the left hand side of the right shoe, as you can see, and not the entirety of the shoe has come off, but only a little bit on this edge. So what I'm going to be doing is using a Selleys shoe repair kit contact adhesive, which is pretty easy and simple to use. It gives you a clear finish, it gives you a flexible bond. It is weather and impact resistant. It sticks to rubber, leather, canvas material, cork, and most plastics. Other than the contact adhesive, the items you will be needing are microfiber cloth, toothpick, or in this case I'm using a wooden stick, acetone or methylated spirits, some clamps, and also sandpaper of 150 grit. Now let's get this started and get the job done. Alright, so first I will be getting rid of all the old glue from the rubber sole and also from the cloth material. For this I'll be using the sandpaper. As I said, I'm not going to peel the whole thing off. I'm just going to go as far as I can. Key thing is to make sure all the old glue is removed, otherwise it will not stick properly. Now I'll be using methylated spirits, or you can use acetone to clean off any mess you have created, or it will also do the job of removing the glue. Just want to make sure both surfaces are absolutely clean and there's no residual glue on it. As there's still some glue left, I'm going to use the sandpaper again. Okay, as you can see, not sure if you'll be able to see it in the camera, but I have removed as much as I could the glue on the sole. The cloth had very minimal glue on it, the cloth material at the top. Now I will just let it dry for a minute so all the methylated spirit is completely vaporized, and then I will use the contact adhesive to stick these two. I'll put a piece of stick to keep them separated as such. Just let it air dry. Now I can check if this the sole is dry. This is pretty much dry, and it has been prepped. Now I can apply the glue to the sole. So I'll be doing on the edges. I'm not going to go all the way inside because previously it was on the edges anyway. So I'll put the glue on the edge all the way, and also on the cloth material I'll be putting the glue on the inside, on the edge, and then I will let it dry for a few minutes before I stick them on together. Here we go. Now I'm going to be putting on some on the cloth material. As you can see, I've got the glue on both sides. I'll be putting toothpicks or wooden sticks to keep them separated. Using the finger, but you shouldn't be using it. I'm going to wipe it completely straight away. Now I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. The glue seems to have dried off, and both sides are now ready to be stuck together and bonded. So I will remove the wooden stick. Have a bit of a touch, feel. Yep, it's dry. Now I'll put my hand inside the shoe and I'll start sticking the edges. Make sure. Alright, so there's a bit of a glue sticking on the outside. I'll use the microfiber cloth again and the acetone or the methylated spirit to wipe that off. Now I will use the clamps to hold these two sides together. Well, I've got three. So I will leave this for a few hours as per the instructions, and I won't be using for the next couple of days to make sure the bonding is 100% complete. Right, so the moment of truth has arrived. It's been more than 24 hours since this shoe has been glued and clamped. Both sides have been stuck together. Now I'm going to remove the clamps one by one, and I'm going to see how the adhesive has performed and if the fix has been done properly or not. Let's find out. Okay, so it looks pretty good from the outside, and it appears to be pretty solid. Now I'm going to wear this shoe to test it out. So there you go, guys. Selleys contact adhesive shoe fix has done the job. The repair looks pretty rock solid to me. I don't see it coming apart again in the near future, but nothing is guaranteed. If I do a review maybe 12 months later on how the repair has gone, only then I can probably will be able to tell you guys the performance of this fix. But at this stage, it's a big tick from me and a yes. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.